Hello, this is Slingshot Warrior, and this is me basically putting it together with PVC glue. I couldn't talk during this process because I had to wear a respirator because the PVC cement is highly toxic. It requires a little bit of ventilation and a respirator. Simple process using this simple PVC glue, or cement is whatever you want to call it. It was actually it's quite easy. I would suggest to do this as outdoors as possible, but it was raining that day and couldn't do it. With this, you always got to eye it down to see if it's straight and lined up, but that's not hard to do. And you just gotta leave it to dry, and I'm just adjusting it to eye it up, to line it up to basically where I want it to be. This was some of the first parts of the process, was gluing it together. Well, that's all you need to know. The next phase of this build is to spray paint it. Well, the weather's not that good outside, but I bought this tote, this really big tote, and but it needs to be ventilated a little bit more, and that's why I got my cordless drill. It needs some holes in it so you can have air flowing through it and would have the protection of the rain, and this is what I'm doing. See if it does it. There you go, voila. The holes are drilled. It's I'm going to be in the process of spray painting it, and we're going to put this in here, and it's all going to come together. I'll probably do a part 2 of this thing, and more to come soon. As you can see, I'm in another stage of the process. There's going to be many stages, but this is it. I've already drilled the holes in there. This already had a hole in it. I had to get the air hole. So you want to get the ventilation, because I want to protect it from the elements, but I don't. But without air, it's not going to dry, and that's the reason why I got the ventilation done. Now, I'm going to spray paint this, but you've seen me do this before in previous videos. Spray paint it. So I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to spray paint it. More on this later. Bye.